everyone, this is me, Ramsha, and I'm at Mashion right now, and I'm on the hot seat. I really like Mahira's fashion sense. Leonardo and Shah Rukh Khan. I wouldn't call it guilty pleasure, but I'm watching Friends for the 5th or 6th time within a year. It's you guys. Shit. I don't say I'll be honest. I just say, oh shit. Whenever I'm like, I'm sorry. What? I don't know. What is... Are there any cuss words in Urdu? I didn't know that. Wow. I don't know. Intellect? I love the sound of birds chirping early in the morning. No, I hate it. I love the sound of my PlayStation. Yeah, when I turn it on, so it's like tick. The construction noise. You know what I'm talking about. It drives me crazy. Like literally, I just moved into a new apartment and I think the apartment above me is under construction or something, but they wake me up early in the morning at 8 or 9 in the morning with honestly, when I was a kid, I'm still into astronomy and I wanted to be an astronaut. Oh, it's a picture of me in a bridal thing. All black makes you look skinnier. Summer waves, because I was born with thin and straight hair. So I'm just all about curly or wavy hair. I would kick their butt. No one can be mean to my pet. I'm very, very protective of her. Bella, I love you, okay? It's hard, actually. I like my coffee black with no sugar. You get these coffees, flavored coffees, caramel flavored, vanilla flavored, and yeah, I just put it in water and I just have my coffee like that. My love for pulao. Yeah. And I have my Lohari lingo as well. Especially when I'm mad, when I'm really pissed off. So, my accent switches to Punjabi accent. You'll see it in my dramas वैसे, when I'm doing like pissed off wale scenes ना, so there's like this Punjabi accent जो आता है थोड़ा सा कि मैं आपको बता रही हूँ type चीज़. No, you guys. My email address was rams_cool at hotmail.com. Everything is going to be okay. People are going to accept you the way you are. Just do what your heart says and stop trusting people. Stop. Do not trust people. I massage my face. I started doing this new thing. I'm learning how to massage face. So that's what I do before I go to sleep, because it just makes my face look all glowy and stuff. So Spanish, yeah. Biryani I can eat forever. I can eat biryani all week, and I did for 4 days. I couldn't eat it the 5th day, but biryani with aloo. I've never been in any situation. I'm the kind of person that, like, doston mein hota hai, aa jao, dance karo. I would embarrass them because I would just, in the middle of the whole shadi or whatever, I would just stand there and look at them like, I'm not dancing. Go ahead, embarrass yourself. I actually purchased one of those silicone hot pot holder. I saw it on this app and I liked it, so I bought a couple of those. I also purchased ice cube tray because we ran out of those. The first time ever I had to do a romantic scene in my life, and the hero heroine, they have to look into each other's eyes and just be like. So when I was doing that scene, I was so nervous. My facial muscles started twitching. It was really embarrassing. Sabha kamar. Yeah. I'd buy a house first of all, because a girl's gotta secure a chat, right? So I would buy a house, and then I would buy cars, and then I would buy makeup. I would produce a movie with Leonardo in it, 100%, and Shah Rukh Khan. Oh my God! Just imagine Leonardo and Shah Rukh Khan in a film. Wow. With Mahira as the heroine. And Sabha Kamar as well, because I love them both. um, wear your masks. I mean, this is the third wave and it's the most dangerous wave of them all, and people are not wearing masks. And FYI, over here, we're all practicing social distance. Everybody is wearing a mask right now, and I'm like the only one sitting in the corner here. My night suit trouser, yeah. I wish I could go out. I wish I could go for meetings on my night suit trousers. I love my night suit trousers. Since I'm not into fashion, I don't have a style icon. But hypothetically, it would be Jennifer Aniston. शादी कब करोगी? Yes, शादी कब करोगी? Yeah, recently तो बहुत हो रहा है अभी जो bridal campaigns तो सारी हो रही हैं. So that's one question that I'm sick of. Okay, so recently I did a drama that's called Ghisi Piti Mohabbat, and we shot it from episode 1. So I was literally living the journey of Samya. Getting out of that character was a challenge for me because it changed my personality. It just changed a lot in me. I will never apologize for my honesty and my opinions because I'm very honest and upfront. I would marry Afan and I would date Feroze and kill Shahzad. I'm sorry, Shahzad. Me. Me. Follow me. And of course, Mashion as well. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.